What up, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets. And in this video, this is another different one. I am sitting here in Jamaica, yeah, man. I knew I was coming here and I figured, let me just go ahead and do part 2 of a Google Pixel unboxing at the beach, and why not? Here you have it. Lovely day at the beach. Not too many people here yet. Some people already grabbed their seats or whatnot, but yeah, just here. About to go ahead and do this unboxing and see what all the fuss is about. If this phone is lacking like so many people say that it is. See how well I like the cameras or whatever it is. But here it is right here. This is the Google Pixel 4 XL version. You know, last time I unboxed the Google Pixel 3a. And I actually really like that phone. The phone was a hit when I was in Punta Cana. The portrait mode pictures and everything, people just fell in love with it. The low light on the Pixel 3a was awesome. Plus, I also really love the fact that the 3a had the headphone jack. Hashtag bring back the headphone jack. Come on, companies, let's get it together for the people who want the headphone jack back. You know, this makes it difficult for me not to be able to use external mics. So yeah, I just want to show you guys where I'm chilling at right now. The waves are kind of going. Got a little bit of seaweed action here, but it's all good. Okay, let's finally get into the box. Here is the quick box tour. The right side has the display of the phone. At the top, the Google logo. On the left side, Google. The bottom of the device has the specs. I did get the clearly white version. So using the pull tabs, there's no need for an unboxing knife. Taking the lid off the box, you see the clearly white Pixel 4 XL. It's pretty light, looks really nice. Next up, we will take the larger box out, and inside this box, it just has the SIM ejection tool, the user guide. Next up, you have the Type-C to Type-C charging cable. Here you have the Type A to Type C adapter. And then lastly, in the larger box, you have the 18-watt charging brick. So it's Type C. Here is everything that you get inside of the box. There's no dongle included, nor is there any earphones included. Okay, so now finally, let's get into the phone. I'll go ahead and quickly peel off the plastic. First thing that I actually see is a bunch of the sensors on the front. It stands out with the screen off and the way the sun's hitting the phone. But the phone itself is nice and slim and thin. Feels really nice, looks really good. The penguin color I actually liked. I wanted to get the orange one, but it wasn't available, so this was the next best thing for me. But go ahead and take a look at that camera hump on the back. Here's the power button. It's in orange. And then below that you have the volume up and down keys. Flipping it over to the bottom, I see there's a speaker grill. I don't know if both of them are speakers. And then you have your Type-C. Then the left side of the phone is where you put your SIM card. There's no expandable storage with this device. At the top you have a microphone. And then here we go with the 12 megapixel camera and then the 16 megapixel telephoto camera. So that was the quick unboxing of the Pixel 4 XL while on the beach. I'm gonna go ahead and use this device while here, take some great photos, try out the video camera, and let you guys know what I think. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.